This Windows 11 boots on 256 megabytes of RAM. It fits into 3 gigabytes of storage. That alone sounds impossible. But numbers decide the truth, not claims. Let us see how extreme minimalism performs under pressure. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let us get started. Stock Windows 11 turns the Start menu into noise. Pinned apps you did not choose. Around 34 apps installed by default. Most cannot be removed. The system feels crowded from the first click. Now switch to Tiny 11 Minimal. The Start menu is empty. No pinned apps, no pre-installed apps. Windows Defender is removed. Updates are disabled. The Microsoft Store is removed completely. Nothing runs unless it is required. Now look at storage. A clean Windows 11 install uses around 41 gigabytes. Your drive starts filling up immediately. Tiny 11. Minimal takes the opposite approach. The entire system fits into about 3.5 gigabytes. No bundled apps, no filler, no wasted files. RAM usage shows the real difference. On stock Windows 11, idle memory use sits around 3.1 gigabytes on a 4 gigabyte system. Opening one Chrome tab can already cause slowdowns. Tiny 11 Minimal starts at roughly 1 gigabyte after installation. If that wasn't low enough, Velotic pushes it further. Open Velotic Pro. Go to Cleanup. Enable AI-managed cleaning. Within seconds, RAM usage drops to around 500 megabytes. That is automation reducing overhead, not creating more of it. If you are wondering what Velotic is, it is a Windows optimizer built for speed, control, and stability. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500 plus professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the Debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the Info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. Now let us check CPU load and background activity. Stock Windows 11 runs around 151 processes. That expands to roughly 2,300 threads and about 62,000 handles. Even at idle, the system stays busy doing work you did not ask for. Tiny 11 Minimal drops this to about 92 processes, around 1,200 threads, roughly 30,000 handles. Only what is required stays active. Nothing extra runs in the background. The CPU stays focused on your workload, not the operating system. Before we move to benchmarks, here's what makes Minimal different. This build does not depend on modern CPU instruction sets like SSE 4.2. Older processors work without patches or workarounds. Windows Defender is removed. Windows updates are removed. The Microsoft Store is removed. This build is designed strictly for gamers and extreme minimal users. If you need Defender, updates, or the Store, use Tiny 11 Prime instead. Prime keeps those features while still removing bloat and avoiding forced SE 4.2 requirements. Now to the baseline. On this hardware, stock Windows 11 scores 2,314 in single-core and 5,869 in multi-core. That performance comes with constant overhead. Heavy background services, reserved system resources, now switch to Tiny 11 Minimal. Bloat is removed at the source. No bundled apps, no background services that do not serve performance. Despite that, modern apps and games still run normally. On the same hardware, Tiny 11 Minimal scores 2,526 in single-core and 6,782 in multi-core. Same machine, significantly stronger results. Now we move to the most aggressive test. The target is 256 megabytes of RAM. That is below what most systems from the early 2000s use. This test exists for one reason. If Tiny 11 Minimal fails to boot at 256 megabytes, the build is rejected. It never reaches users. This is part of the HT and Apatus standard. You cannot call it minimal if it does not boot at 256 megabytes. The system boots without issues. Keep this in mind. This is Tiny 11 Minimal, a 2026 operating system. Seeing a modern Windows build start on 256 megabytes of RAM says everything about the optimization. I am opening Task Manager so you can see the actual memory usage. You can verify the numbers yourself. As available RAM drops, Tiny 11 adapts. Overhead stays low. Only what is necessary remains active. Tiny 11 Minimal is built for users who want maximum speed and zero waste. No lag, no clutter, no background noise. If you want extreme performance on limited hardware, this build is the right choice. You can find the clean install guide for Tiny 11 in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.